Hey guys, I'm Ronnie, and this is Flip Flop Nation. All right, guys, so we hit up a couple of thrift stores and a little flea market. I didn't really have any cash when I was at the flea market, so I just looked around just to see what they had. Maybe I needed to go and run and get some cash. Nothing great that I saw. Of course, then we hit up a thrift store, found a pair of shorts, and then we went to Goodwill and found a few things there. Of course, I'll show you some footage of that, and then we'll try to figure out what all this stuff's worth and how much I spent, and see if it was really
all right,
worth
guys,
it.
we're back home, so let's check out and see what we got out thrifting today. We have a pair of vintage 505 size 34 denim shorts. I paid about $4.50 for these, and I believe I should be able to get, I don't know, 19, 20 bucks for those. Went to the Goodwill. Looks like I bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items. 8 items, $48. First item right here. I don't know if I got video of me finding this little fella here or not, but we have a vintage 1985 plush here. It's called the Red Nose Range Steer. Still has its tag on it, but it's from 1985. I pulled up a comp. I saw like one sold like maybe this month, 24, 25 bucks maybe. I'll have to definitely check it out, and do some more research, but yeah, not a bad, $1.99. All right, so what's next in the bag here? Speaking of bags, you see my bag. Here in North Carolina, they Goodwill stopped using plastic bags. You have to either buy you a bag from Goodwill, and it was only 99 cents, which is a great investment. They're big, you can carry a lot, sturdy. So, of course, I've got a couple of them. But, why not help the environment, right? Now, here I've got this yellow polo. It's Golf House Collection. It's got a embroidered on here, U.S. Open 1993. So I'm gonna assume this is vintage, right? I looked up some comps. I didn't get this exact one, but I seen something similar going for $22. So we'll see. We'll do some more research, and of course, as I'm doing this video, and I'll pop up comps up on the screen and see what we can sell it for, and maybe by the time the video gets out, it's already sold, and I'll show you what I sold it for. So here we have a BKE Slim Fit Pearl Snap long sleeve shirt. The reason why I got it, of course, the pearl snaps. I've sold some jeans, the BKE jeans before, never any of the shirts, so I'm not sure what exactly I could sell this for, but I'm hoping at least 20 bucks. I mean, I think I paid $5 for it, the shirt, I think. Here's another shirt. I have not sold this brand, but I looked up some comps while in the store, and it looked like it might sell okay. It's a size large. 7 diamonds. It's a plaid button-up. Comps look like I could maybe get $20, $25 for that shirt. Paid $5 for it. Now, let's get into the jeans that I found. I found not one, but two pair Yes, 2 pair of 7 for All Mankind men's jeans. It's a pretty good brand to look out for. Now, you want to make sure that you know, research your comps, you know, make sure that you're, you know, because some sell better than others. Same as the women's jeans, I've sold them. We've got a size 30 here. Button fly jeans. This is 7 for All Mankind standard. I bet this is a 30 as, yeah, it's a 30 as well. I figured it was. I found one on one rack and one on another rack. So I assumed that, well, you know, they would be the same size. Probably the same person ended up donating those jeans. Now here I have a brand new pair of Carhartt women's Jasper jean, 6 regular. I don't know if that's a good size or not, but I looked at some comps and we were looking at like 30, 35 bucks for a brand new pair. So hopefully that's what we'll get out of those. And our last item here is a pair of 525 Levi's. These are vintage. So I believe they were made around 2004. I'll have to double check, make sure. I think that's my code right there. I believe it's 2004. So that would make these vintage. So I picked them up, $7. Hopefully I can get 25 out of it. Now, of course, so that's 1, 2, so it's 25, 35. So what's that? Another pair of jeans. Let's see, this pair of jeans here, let's just say 30, 60, 90, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200. Let's just call it 200. Nope. Let's call it $220. I spent just a little over $50 for these items. All right, guys, so there you have it. I mean, we spent right at $53 and hopefully we'll make about 220, if not more. I'll have to, of course, do all my research and figure it out. And yeah, so if you like this video, hit the thumbs up. You know, shout it out to your friends. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. And of course, hit the notification bell so that you'll be alerted to all new videos. And of course, until next time, we'll be seeing you.